If may I ask you, how do you see the relationship between US and Pakistan under Donald J. Trump's presidency?
You never know what Trump's going to do. Okay, so it's I don't think anybody who has the answer to that question and knows exactly what's going to happen should make a big investment in the stock market today, because they'll know exactly what's going to happen. But you know, we've had our concerns with President Trump with the Muslim ban that he did previously. Pakistan's a very important country. It's very strategically located in the world. It's in the middle of a lot of different things happening in the world. It's a nuclear power. It's got a huge population, a lot of young people in the population. And we don't see, I think, Pakistan advancing as much as it could be economically. And I think for Pakistan to advance economically, it has to change certain things to make it more attractive for foreign investment. You need the private sector to invest. And the private sector is only going to invest if they think that they can be successful, if they can be profitable.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।